Hey, what's up guys? I'm Matthew.
I'm Jack.
And this is What's Inside. In today's video, we're going to be cutting open a light-up disco ball.
Let's get started.
Safety first.
And I'm going to hand this over to Matthew, and
Alright.
he'll get started.
Yeah, so this thing doesn't like blow up. I'm going to unplug it. Yeah, okay.
Oh, it smells pretty.
A few moments later.
Okay. This is what we have so far.
Oh, shoot.
This right there. Let's go back to it. Alright, so I'm going to try to like rip the...
Oh.
Okay, so
That's the light bulb.
in the middle of the scene, we have the light bulb. I don't want to get glasses or so the light bulb. And then the part that the light bulb goes into. That's going to shatter. And then this is like the base of it. So let's try to cut this in half. Oh, wait.
Might already come undone.
Oh! Oh, wait.
Oh!
Alright, well, what's inside this?
It's just another piece.
It's just, so we have two pieces right
And then you
here.
got like the mini light things that are...
We have these things that just seem to like go inside the holes, like, it's just like a disco. So like, these things is what makes it change the color. And they just go into this like here. Like that, whatever. And then when you put these two together, right here, makes the thing that's just in here. Okay, so with this thing, this is what makes it rotate.
Oh, shoot.
This base has like this spinning thing. And so now, we're going to get into the bottom part.
So now we have the screwdriver to get into the...
This bottom base part. Okay, wait. Do
you need some light?
20 minutes later.
Put up, make like a pile over there.
Hey.
Screw number 2.
Let's just go for that middle one.
Screw number 3. Out. Screw number 4. Okay, we just got all the screws out. And
Did one just fall out?
whoa.
Oh!
Alright, here's the inside. This is the cover, I guess. And yeah, this is just right where this goes in. This is the cord. It seems, yeah, it goes to the switch that turns it on and off. And then these wires, it looks like 2 of them, this red and black one, go to the light up here to power the light. Then the other 2 black ones go to this motor that makes this spin.
Okay, let's plug it in.
So yeah, now we're gonna plug it in and see if it still works. Turn on.
Oh my god, it
Okay.
still rotates.
Yeah, there we go. So we just turn it on. That's rotating. Obviously, it's not doing anything because it's broken.
Here, let's just
And
see.
here, let's turn it off. Now we're gonna get the light back in.
And then... Hey,
Yeah, and there we
that's
go.
actually pretty bright.
This is the inside, so it just goes straight to the power button, and then 4 wires, half of them power the light, half of them power this thing that rotates.
This is actually,
And
we
yeah.
can make this like a night, well, not a night light, but, yeah, I guess a night light, but.
Yeah, it's just normal light, but
Yeah.
then
Once you,
these like tint it different colors. Yeah, like you can, here, try to do it. Try to,
I don't even know
put
where
it
it's
together. Here, these 2.
Well, it's missing a ton of lights that go.
Yeah, just something like that. It's just like, yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
actually sort of cool.
like this is like now it's normal light, and now it's like disco ball light. It's like half and half, like normal party. Like
I mean,
you can do a lot.
I
you
sort
can-
of want to drill into this, but not really. Because I want to keep it like this, and then we
Oh,
can
I have
use
an
this
idea.
system.
Okay.
No, let's not destroy it.
Let's Alright, we're gonna unplug this so it doesn't pause. And there are 2 screws right here that like secure the motor down. So I'm gonna try to unscrew those to see if we can like
No.
get the motor out.
No.
Take a closer look. Alright, I got both the screws out. Now,
Just be careful.
here,
Yeah, here. I have to.
let's get the light out. Yeah, take the light out. Alright, we're gonna take this piece off. This is the part that makes it spin, because that gear right there goes onto this. That's what makes it spin.
Do
And
you have to
then
take the gear? Oh no, there's that.
here's the motor.
You can't.
All it is here. Alright, so the bottom right here is just the wires go in.
So there's something
And, like, there's
inside
the
of that,
gear.
like plastic tin.
And then there's
thing.
like lubricant on it, so like, oh, it's all sticky.
And there's the here. Let's just turn it on and see what happens.
Wait, no, not yet. Not
Yeah.
yet. Not yet, because you can understand it. And right here,
Here.
right there, that little white thing is, like a zip tie that holds all the wires together.
Okay, now we're gonna turn it
Alright.
on. Just see if we can get these. Oh
Yeah.
my god. Okay, yeah. So it's moving. We just gotta
Yeah,
put
it's still moving. We can still use it. Like, if you guys want this gear for something,
here.
you
Wait,
can-
let's put the light back in and just see. I might not rotate it, but it might work. Yeah. Okay. So I mean, you could have this anywhere and it would still work
Yeah, and you can still use that motor
for something.
for, like, you can take the gear off and it can just be like a spinning thing. So it can be like a drill or something.
Let's put this.
You never know. You can always use like a motor, whatever. Oh, my hand's all dirty. Shoot.
Does it go down any further? Shoot, it has to be like on those.
Oh no, you're upside down. Okay, so that goes on.
Oh, what was that? Hopefully nothing important.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it still works as a night light, so. Alright,
Yeah.
lights.
Alright, let's like sum this up.
Alright, so it's first to start it out by taking off the size of the disco ball.
Yeah, pretty much. Like, all we have in this game is just normal like light
Yeah.
motor
So once
with a
we
gear
took
on
it
it.
off, this was wrapped like that, and all you could see was the
Yeah,
light.
it was like that.
And then so when we finally got this off, this was the bottom part actually. And so when we got it off, we found this, the motor, the whole
gear on it.
gears, and see,
And,
oh,
like-
I just electrocuted myself. I tried to turn it off and I just electrocuted myself. See, when you turn it off, perfectly fine, and then right back on. So we're gonna keep it running for the remainder of this video. It shouldn't be too long, but
Yeah,
I just shocked myself. Ow.
Alright, so
And
it's
then-
pretty simple. All we have is a light, gear, this that covers it, and then on top of that, just like 2 pieces of a ball that just go over.
And then it's
And then
supposed
it-
to rotate
yeah,
when you
it
took that part off.
rotates. It's like
Alright,
it's like a pistachio. Like. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, and yeah, first video. So hopefully you guys like it.